The day my dad lost his job. My dad worked at the same factory for 26 years. Every day, he wore the same faded blue uniform. Punched in at 7. Came home at 5. He never missed a day. Never complained. But one morning, something changed. He walked in the door early. Holding a paper. I remember his words clearly, they replaced me. With a machine. That moment made me ask. What jobs are safe from AI? And today, in 2025, we finally have that answer. Let me show you 5 jobs AI will never replace, and why they matter more than ever. Job number 1, therapists and mental health workers. I'm Nova from Nova Tech View, and if you care about staying future-proof, hit that subscribe button. Because this video could literally shape your next career decision. AI can calculate. It can predict. But it can't feel. It doesn't understand heartbreak, trauma, grief. A good therapist reads more than words, they read emotions. AI can simulate empathy, but it can't live it. Job number 2 and number 3, teachers and skilled trades. The best teachers don't just teach. They inspire. They adapt, read the room, and make students believe in themselves. AI can deliver lessons, but it can't change lives. A screen will never replace a teacher who said, "I believe in you." You can't automate a broken pipe in a flooded basement. You can't send a robot under your car in a dusty garage. These are real, hands-on jobs that demand human instinct and adaptive thinking. In a world obsessed with digital, the ones who stay hands-on will be more valuable than ever. Job number 4 and number 5, creative artists and leaders. AI can remix, regenerate, reassemble. But true creativity comes from the soul. The story of a refugee. A song about heartbreak. A film that makes you cry. AI doesn't feel those things. You do. Leadership isn't logic. It's vision. It's waking up when no one believes in you and saying, "I still believe." AI can optimize. Only a human can inspire. AI can remix, regenerate, reassemble. But true creativity comes from the soul. Think about this, AI can draw a perfect sunset. But it doesn't know what it feels like to watch one. After a breakup. After a loss. Or after a win. That's the difference. A painting that makes someone cry. A lyric that feels like it was written just for you. A story that gives you goosebumps. These don't come from data. They come from being human. The movie Everything Everywhere All at Once wasn't written by AI. It was written by people who grew up feeling lost. People who struggled to find meaning in a chaotic world. That movie won 7 Oscars, not because it was perfect, but because it was deeply, uniquely human. Would AI have told that story? Maybe. But it wouldn't have felt it. In 2025 and beyond, the world won't need more AI prompt engineers. It will need more creativity translators, people who know how to take emotion and turn it into content. Film. Design. Products. Jobs like AI-assisted filmmakers. Narrative designers for virtual worlds. Human brand copywriters. Voiceover artists with soul. Creativity is not going away. It's being reborn. Leadership isn't logic. It's vision. It's waking up broke. Scared. Unsure. And still saying, "We'll make it." That's not something AI can do. That's faith. When Elon Musk said we'd land rockets and reuse them, people laughed. Now? SpaceX is doing it monthly. Not because AI believed. Because a human did. The world doesn't need more managers. It needs human leaders, people who inspire without shouting. Led with empathy. Make decisions with both heart and data. Know when to trust their gut, not just the algorithm. Whether you're leading 1 person or 1 million, the future belongs to those who believe first. Creative minds and bold leaders, you are the last frontier AI can't cross. Don't be afraid. Be original. Be human. Be brave. Because AI can replicate almost anything. Accept your story. Why humans still matter in the age of AI, here's the truth. 1. Real success stories, humans still win. While AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT are impressive, the truth is, human creativity is still irreplaceable. Example, Greta Gerwig, director of Barbie, 2023, crafted a cultural moment, not with code, but with empathy, humor, and nuance. Musician, Billie Eilish created a Grammy-winning song with just a whisper and a beat, something no AI could emotionally feel or design. These people didn't beat AI. They outhumaned it. 2. Why brands still need emotion. AI can analyze data. But it can't feel a story. Dove's Real Beauty campaign hit hearts because it wasn't perfect, it was real. Nike's You Can't Stop Us video stitched athletes and moments into a message of resilience, crafted by editors and storytellers. In branding, feelings sell more than features. That's where humans shine. 3. The AI versus human collaboration era. The real winners? Not humans or AI. It's humans who collaborate with AI. Filmmakers use Runway ML to edit faster. Creators use 11 Labs to generate voiceovers. Writers use ChatGPT for outlining, not storytelling. AI is your toolkit, but you are still the vision. 4. Emotional intelligence beats data. AI knows how to respond, but only you know how to truly listen. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is now more valuable than IQ in leadership roles. Think about it. AI can follow instructions, but it can't sense tension in a room. It can summarize a meeting, but it can't tell you who's about to quit. In 2025, the best leaders don't code better. They care deeper. 5. What you should focus on. If you're a creative, learn how to use AI as your sidekick. Don't copy trends, tell your own story. Build a loyal audience, not just likes. If you're a leader, lead with empathy, not ego. Let AI handle the grunt work, you handle the vision. Be the person who says, I believe in us. Because when the noise gets louder, people follow the voice that feels human.